In this video, I'll be showing you how you can get your online bank statement or your bank statement in Lloyds Bank account. First is to log in inside the account and then head to the view statement. When you click the view statement, you will be redirected into the transaction page where you have 4 options to do, which is to print your monthly PDF, print the current view or export transaction, or order a paper statement. But we want to generate the bank statement, so we just need to click the monthly PDFs. When you click this, you will have the option again to select the scope of the transaction. It could be January to February or it could be February to March. So just select it and then click the view PDF. After clicking this, you will now have this generated bank statement for the scope of the selected months based on your choice. And that's it. That's how you can generate or get the bank statement in your Lloyds Bank account. And thank you for listening.